Today, when video games and iPhones are right at your fingertips, getting your kids outside can be a challenge. But with just a little creativity, you can make outside time just as exciting. Here are some simple and easy ways to encourage your child to spend more time outdoors. For one, create outdoor challenges. Kids love challenges. So turn outside activities into exciting competitions. Whether it's a race to the finish line or a simple scavenger hunt, by giving them a goal, kids are way more likely to chase it and choose to go outside. One of the easiest ways to do this is to set up seasonal scavenger hunt style challenges. For example, finding the first flower or the first to spot a bird's nest. Next up, setting up specific play zones. When you designate spaces for activities, kids are going to feel much more comfortable jumping right into play. A sandbox for digging, a small sports area for soccer, and even a garden corner where they can plant flowers. When kids have designated spaces, they are far more likely to engage in the activity that you want them to. Third, and I know it's challenging for us parents, you have to be the role model. If you want your kids to go outside, you have to brave the great outdoors as well. If they see you enjoying the sunshine, they'll want to join you. So whether it's walking, biking, picking up a new sport, or simply reading on the porch, be sure to head outside much more often and your kids will follow suit. Finally, limiting screen time. It's so hard to get kids to play outside when they're glued to their screens. So be sure to set clear screen time limits and boundaries of when they're allowed to use their phone. This way, you can also use screen time as a reward system. Outdoor play is critical to a kid's development, and it's unfortunately getting rarer and rarer. That's why, as a parent, it's your job to find new and creative ways to get your child outside. Next up, historical sites and living history museums. For history lovers, historical sites are everywhere. I can near guarantee you your town has one that you didn't even know about. There, kids can learn history firsthand, getting to see reenactments and participating in activities like looming their own wool or playing old school games like stick and hoop. Finally, nature reserves and state parks are the best outdoor classrooms. There, kids can learn about the ecosystem, animal tracks, and see the water cycle live in action. Many parks even offer junior ranger programs where kids can earn badges as they complete learning activities. A fun tip is to bring a journal every time you go so they can see what they've learned every time. Field trips are an amazing way to connect your kids with hands-on experience. So be sure to get a couple in this spring. We have full guides to that over at smartbubblegum.com, so be sure to check them out. And if you have any other tips or tricks, let us know in the comments. We'll see you next time, and have a great night.